Okay, today we are going to learn how to write a notice. Notice can be divided into 10 parts for easy to write a notice. Number first is event. For an example for event is book fair. A book fair has been organized. A book fair is held. A book fair is organized. NA has been organized, is held, is organized කියන තුනම අපිට event එක හඳුන්වන්න දැම්ම හැකියි. Next, number 2, organizer. By. Organizer again. The book fair has been organized by. By is the organizer. By, you can say by grade 6 students. Grade 7 students of Marsala College, Timbirigas Katuwa. ඒ වගේ ඕන දා ඔයාලට ලියුව හැකි. Number 3, date. On 13th of May 2021, or you can use any other date. A book fair has been organized by the grade 6 students in Marsala College on 13th of May 2021. ඒ වගේ තමයි එක example එක. Number 4. Next is number 4. Time. At 8 p.m. At 8 a.m. What is called at 8 a.m.? At 8 means sharp at 8. Okay. From 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. From 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. ඒ කියන්නේ අපිට 8 සිට 4 දක්වා කියන එක අපි වචන දෙකකින් තමයි කියලා තියෙන්නේ from and to. At sharp at 8 කියන්නේ අපිට at කියන එක use කරන්න පුළුවන්. 8 සිට 4 එක වෙලාවක ඉඳන් තව වෙලාවක් දක්වා කියන්න අපිට from සහ to කියන දේ use කරන්න පුළුවන්. 5. Place. Place එක මොකක්ද? At auditorium in the main hall. You can say at auditorium or in the main hall. 6th. Purpose. What is the purpose? Purpose එකක් කියන්නේ අපි මේ book fair කරන්නේ මොකක් නිසාද? What is the purpose? You can say to make the washrooms in this school. You can say to raise the fund to develop the library. ඒ වගේ ඕන එකක් ඔයාලට කියන්න පුළුවන්. Number 7. Chief guest. The chief guest is the president of Sri Lanka. The chief guest will be the president of Sri Lanka. ඒ දෙකෙන් ඔයාලට ඕන එකක් use කරන්න පුළුවන්. is සහ will be කියන එක තමයි අපි chief guest හඳුන්වා දෙන්න use කරන්නේ. 8. Invite. What's the number 8? Invite. All the students and teachers are invited. නැත්තම් all the students, teachers and parents are invited. All the grade 6 students are invited. ඒ වගේ ඕන invited කරපු ඕන එක්කෙනෙක්ට ඔයාලට ලියන්න පුළුවන්. Number 9. Writer. The writer's name and signature. The writer's name and signature must be in your end of the notice and there must be in your right side. Okay, and also you can write the association that the book fair is organized or the club. Lastly, the date 2021 2nd 8. Again, February 8th. What any other date use karna පුළුවන්. The date must be in left corner. Must be in left corner in your notice. Okay. The lesser point shows you the place. That's the end of the lesson. And if you are not subscribing yet to our channel, subscribe, like and share this video to others. Thank you.